Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. I am taping today at the world famous Lazoo, and today's unboxing is for a very special wildest bag unboxing I have for you guys. So stay tuned. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're a regular, I can't wait for you to see this bag. I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So today I have a very special wild unboxing. I did mention this unboxing coming up on my previous videos, and if you haven't seen the bag of the month yet, guys, go check it out, and all the other fun videos I have put up. So we are at the world famous Lazoo. I found a little quiet corner because it is a zoo full of people, so you'll hear people walking by, talking, so I can't control that. So I wanted to do this special bag unboxing here at the zoo because it is a wild collection from DOONEY and BOURKE, and I have been eyeing this bag for so long I thought it would be fitting to come and do my unboxing here in the actual wild zoo. So I am going to take some fun pictures for you guys of the animals. I will add it either in the beginning or the back end of the video, but I'm trying to do the videos without like getting people. There's a lot of people here. Of course, the zoo is very popular, and if you haven't come and joined the zoo, come and join, show your support. Okay, so the bag I got, guys, the wildest bag unboxing here on my channel. And if you guys know me, you know I love my animal prints. So when this bag went on special, I had to have it, and I have been wanting this bag for a long time. I've been stalking it. It was one of my unicorn bags, so I'm excited to do it here, the unboxing for you guys. So if you know me, you probably guessed what design the bag is, and I did dress for the part. Here it is, guys. I'm so excited. So this is the satchel in the zebra print, and it's one of my unicorn bags. Look at it, guys. Isn't this lovely? And it is a numbered piece, and this is number 1 of 25. I can't believe I got it, guys. Number 1 of 25. Can you believe that? Look at this beauty. So beautiful. I think it's very fitting to be here. No, take that rubber. We're not going to throw it in dirty the zoo here. But look, guys, I have wanted this bag for so long. I can't believe I got it, and on special, this is a $500 bag, and I paid the most I paid for any bag in my collection for this bag, and it was still on a special. I think I got it for $230, which is a fantastic price. I'm not sure if they still have it on the site. Go take a look. I know that they have other bags of the zebra collection right now on special. If you like the zebra, guys, the animal print, this is one to have in your collection. Let's jump right in. Look at this. I will do other videos with it. Here is the number if you want to see. It just says zebra satchel, 1 of 25. I can't believe it. Wow, 1 of 25. That is so nice. Look at it. Isn't this gorgeous? Of course, the satchel has the beautiful tassels on the side. 2 beautiful tassels hanging on both sides. And this is a brand new bag. Thank God. Everything is nicely wrapped. I was kind of sweating it. I was like, oh my God, I hope they don't send me one that is used. You don't want to have to send it back, but number one of one, this is mine. It was meant to be. I can't believe it. Oh, I can't even take those off. We'll have to do another video showing this bag close up because the zoo is getting a little noisy. Look at it. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. This is a pebble leather, and I had to do it here because I think it's very fitting. Isn't it gorgeous? A piece of work. Look at it. Just lovely. I'll bring it close for you guys. So yeah, guys, this is my wildest unboxing so far. I do have a lot of animal print, of course you guys know, but most of them I did get from eBay or second hand. So this is the new bag just for me, number one of 25. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. If you're new here, I am Tera. Please subscribe and like. And next I'm gonna do some body shots and we're gonna go take some videos of the animals. Maybe we'll stop by the zebra. What do you think, Robert? Yeah? And then we'll put some videos in along with this video. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Here it is, guys, the zebra, our destination. Isn't it cute?